If you've lost access to your Mansfield bank account and don't have your phone number, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Mansfield Bank website. Go to the official Mansfield Bank website. Look for the login section and click on Forgot Password or Account Recovery to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Provide your account information. Enter the required information such as your account number, email address, and any other identifying details. This information is crucial for verifying your identity. Step 3. Choose an alternative recovery method. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Carefully follow the instructions provided on the screen. If you chose to receive a verification code via email, check your inbox and spam folder for the code and enter it as prompted. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it to complete the recovery process. After completing these steps, you should regain access to your Mansfield bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.